Hello, howdy guys. Today I'll be showing you and talk about a primitive data type. Last class I talk about integer variable, how is variable work. I think today I'll be start with primitive data type. There's a two kind of data type in the Java, which is the non-primitive data type or the primitive data type. So primitive data type in the Java we have 8 primitive data type. Which is boolean, char, byte, short, int, long, float, and double. So I'm going to show you each data type how it work in the Java. So remember that we're going to this 8 data type cannot be changed from one operating system to another operating system. So let's start with today byte. For that, I'm going to create. Let's move one side. For that, I'm going to create a new. Before that, I'm going to copy this main method. I'm going to create a new class, which is byte. Byte data type. So let's see how it works. So it's a byte class, and remember I copied it from the main method. So because of just saving some time, you guys know for now already how to write a main method. Main method is need for running the test in Java. It's a Java if you want to run by Java. So now let's example about the how byte is work. So before that, let me give you some idea about byte. The byte can hold the whole number between minus 128 and 127. Mostly used to save memory when you are certain that the number would be in the limit specified by the byte data. So default size byte data type is 1 and default value is 0. So let's start in physical work. So now, let's create a variable. Byte number equal, yes. Okay, and now I want to print out. System. Print out number. So if I print out number, let's run it. Let's see what happened. It's taking time. It's number 111. So try the same problem by assigning the value, assuming like 130, value of the variable num. So you would get the type mismatch error because 130 is out of the range. 130, before I told you all guys, because the whole number between 128 and minus 128 and 127. So between this number has to be in byte. So let's do it and let's see what happened. So now what I said if I say number here 130, let's see what happened. 130. Okay, that's cool. Run it. It's running. See over here, what is it showing? Java incomplete type, possibly loosely convention from the int to byte. So that means you say you want the byte. and you pass the byte variable over here number, which is the byte, but look like this is not a byte number, it's number from the int that Java is recognized by. So now we clear, this is byte has to be between -128 to 127, between this number. So if you have out of this number, it's going to show as a, is valued as a integer, because any number can be integer. So now we know how byte actually work. So next video I will show you how to work sort. So see you soon, guys.